we must give Kalonzo enough time to interact with the other like-minded leaders. And I want to assure you, Ukambani, we are all behind Kalonzo Musyoka. And we as the foot soldiers, we have given him enough permission to go to Central Province, to go to Western, to go to Coast, so that he can join with the others, so that he can lead this country come 2022. Siasa mbaya, we want clear and decent politics. When people are buying for any seat, they promise people a lot of things. And when they engage into that seat, they don't honor what they promised. I can clearly state that, you know, the schools in Kilome constituency, there is a project. If it is, if there is a project, either ongoing or completed. And I want to assure the residents of this area, and in particular, Murumini secondary schools, that the parents have been straining to pay for a school bus. And today, secondary school in Murumini, the parents have been straining. And today, I've offered 1.1 million to clear the arrears of that bus. Because I don't want to overburden the parents,